Finding out what type of products to launch online. There is absolutely nothing wrong with jumping on the trends bandwagon because the market is truly quite saturated today. Generating an original product idea can be a challenge. Thankfully, there are plenty of ways to analyze what users in a specific demographic want and cater to those needs. In that sense, picking the best product to sell online is a key part of your pre-launch preparation. Let's call this Phase 1. You can start by identifying niche segments. These are often some of the most popular e-commerce business segments. That's because they have a loyal user base that is highly engaged and keeps coming back for more. They also put their money where their mouth is. Dabbling in this zone also makes it easy for you to create a product and make a business proposition to your investors. You will be able to build brand awareness, and when the time comes, get the traffic you need. It will be relatively easier to convert potential customers into buying ones. Health foods, engagement and wedding bands for men, personalized stationery, pet products, beauty products that are cruelty-free are all great niche product ideas. If you ever sat in an e-commerce launch strategy meeting, you will know this is a crucial move. No amount of marketing can help you push a product that cannot be sold in the medium of your choice. In fact, it will be a waste of your resources. And to figure out the best product to sell online, you need market research that tells you about your customers' pain points. It's undeniable that ultimately, it's their needs you are catering to. This can be done in many ways. Companies are now looking to identify these pain points through keywords and search engine queries. This includes the search bar on your website. There are many search engine optimization tools, like Moz Keyword Explorer and SimilarWeb, which can help with keyword research. They also help you discover what your target audience is looking for. There are also other avenues like Reddit threads, Google Trends, and Trend Hunter. You can build on that information by conducting surveys or customer interviews. Sometimes the easiest way to get things done is to ask. If you are an e-merchant, you must understand what your current users want and what is lacking in their experience. Make sure you are top of trends and fads alike. There's nothing worse than picking the wrong wave to ride. Start the brainstorming phase by identifying a problem that a product can solve. Think of essential services or goods.
For more free educational content, visit learnforfree.biz. Content produced and distributed by AllSuperInfo.